Okay, so in this video sizokhuluma ngama-linear inequality equations. Ama-linear inequality equations ayafana nama-linear equations. I think ama-linear equations, it was a topic eke bayifundisa kalo kanje ka-grade 9 and then baphinde bayi-revise then ka-grade 10. Yes, so this one is a grade 10 topic, ne? Ama-linear inequalities ayafana nama-linear equations and they wasolva the same way as ama-linear equations, ne? The only exception ekhona la, like the only difference ekhona phakathi kwama-linear inequality equations and nama-pure linear equations, nama-pure linear equations is that a pure linear equation in an equal sign, ne? But then a linear inequality equation in ama inequality signs. Ama inequality signs ilabo greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, greater than or less than. Now example, we have 3x plus 5 greater or equal to 3, and then uzobona nasowenza ama-example manje amalo kanje nawuzosolva amalo kanje ama-linear inequality equations kwamele uwagraphe ama-solutions wakho, ngoba ama-solutions ozobe uwathola kumalo kanje kuma-linear inequality equations, it's actually more than one solution, unlike a pure linear equation where you just get one solution. So for a linear equation uzothola more than one solution, as sizobona uma sizosolva lamalo kanje lama equations just in a moment nje. So let's just take this one as an example, ne? This one is an example. Number 1, 3x plus 5 greater than equal to 3. Sorry. So the first thing uzoyenza group up x one side and then ama constants one side. Angisho? So lana ngino 3x ngaka left hand side, so asimshiya ngapha ka left hand side. Isithathe lo 5 simthumele ngaka right. So sizothi 3x greater than or equal to 3 minus 5. So lo 5 yamtranspose. Uzogroup ama constant on your right and then abo x on your left. So uma ngisolve the right hand side ngithola minus 2, so ngizodivide both sides ngobani, ngo3, then ngisala no x is greater or equal to minus 2 over 3. Okay, isolution yami ithi x is greater than minus 2 over 3 is or equal to minus 2 over 3. So in other words, x1, it's any number that's greater than the minus 2 over 3, ne? And then no minus 2 over 3 is also included in the set of solutions. In a set yama solutions la, ne? For an inequality equations in a set of solutions. So like in this case lana ama-solutions wakho kwamele uwaplothe or uwagraphe on a number line. So let's say lo now 0 and then this is 1, the minus 2 over 3 uzoba somewhere la. Okay, le number line angidrawanga to scale, ne? So ama-solutions wami alaya kuphi, to the right of this minus 2 over 3 ngoba it's any number that's greater than minus 2 over 3. But then sisebenzisa a circle to locate i-solution yakho or your critical value. But then ngoba minus 2 over 3 is also included in the solution, this circle siyenzani, siyayivala, and then the circle uma uyivalile so ikhombisa ukuthi le minus 2 over 3 is part of the set of solutions, but then nangabuyishiya ivulekile, it's not part of solution. So sizothatha more examples, or let's just do another one. I started the very same example, this one, 3x plus 5. Instead of saying greater than or equal to, let's say greater than 3. So uma ngizoyisolva ngizothola x greater than bani minus 2 over 3. Anyway, it's the same thing, just in the change here is the inequality sign. La it was greater or equal to, la is just greater than. So isolution ithini, ithi x wami is greater than minus 2 over 3. So mangizoyiplota ku number line, this is 0 and then 1. The minus 2 over 3 uzoba somewhere la. So solution yami izoba any value that's greater than minus 2 over 3. But then the second ngizoyiyekela ivulekile, so ngoba this critical value or the minus 2 over 3 is not part of the set of solutions, ne? So in other words, if inequality sign ana equal la ngaphansi, isekeli yakho ku number line yakho uzoyishiya ivulekile, but then if there's an equal sign uzoyishiya injani ivalekile. So let's take more examples. Let's say mhlambe sino 2 open bracket x plus 1 less than or equal to 3. Example number 3. Ne? So like uma ubona a bracket in an equation, angisho kwamele uyiloka kanje, uyi-eliminate or uyiloka uyisolve, ne? So in order to solve for this bracket kule equation yethu kwamele apply a distributive law. So it's gonna be 2x plus 2 less than or equal to 3. Angisho? So from la ngenzani, transpose the 2 to the right hand side. So ngizosala no 2x less than or equal to 3 minus 2, ne? So it's gonna be 2x less than or equal to 3 minus 2, it's 1. So divide both sides by 2. Ngizosala no x less than or equal to a half. So plotting solution yami, this is 0 and then half wami ungapho. So ama solutions wami are to the left of the half, ne? So but the circle ngiyayishada or ngifila in because there's an equal sign below. Kune equal sign ku inequality sign yethu ke. Angisho? This half is part of the solutions. Angisho? So yeah, let's start another example. Number 4. Let's say it's no 3 and then it's no 2, 0 minus x, let's say greater than 2. So simplify bracket ikala, it's gonna be 6 minus 3x greater than or equal to 2, and then ngizogroup up x one side. So in other words, lo minus 3x uzosala ngaka left bese lo 6 aye ngale, ngiyamtranspose lo 6 ngizoba 2 minus 6. So izothi minus 3x greater than or equal to 2 minus 6, it's minus 4, and then divide both sides ngo minus 3. Okay, so now something interesting is going to happen la, ne? So uma divide with a negative sign kuma inequality equation, in any inequality equation, angishobheka lana sino greater or equal to sizoba no less than or equal to. So now dividing a negative number or multiplying a negative number, the inequality sign changes the direction. So lana it was greater or equal to, ngoba dividing on minus 3, so change direction izothi less than or equal to. So now divide ngisala no x, and then negative and a negative in positive, so 4, it's going to be 4 over 3. Now plot solution yami is over 0, and then 4 over 3 somewhere lana, and then it's gonna be included. Solution yami is to the left of 4 over 3. So let's take one more. Let's just take one more example. As it is no 2x plus 3x plus 1 less than 2x, no, let's say 3x plus 2x plus 5. Yes. Okay, so the first thing oyenzayo yini solve for my bracket. This one is a bit more challenging, but then anyway, it's simpler than you think. So solve for this bracket, FOIL method, it's 3x plus 3 less than 3x plus 2x, and then 2, this is 5, 2 multiplied by 5, it's 10. So on the left hand side nginama like terms, and then on the right hand side nginama like terms futhi. So add that, it's gonna be 2x plus 3x, it's 5x plus 3 less than 3x plus 2x is ngaiki, bang bang bang, it's 5x. It's gonna be 5x plus 10. Okay. So from lana ngenzani? Ngizogroupa abu x one side, and then I'm constants one side. So this 5x transpose to the left hand side, minus 5 less than, and then the 3 uzoza ngapha kuzosala 10 angisho ngapha nakuzalo 5, so 10 minus 3. Nangisubtracta the 2 ngithola 0 less than 10 minus 3 is ngaiki, it's 7. So set up le equation yami lapha I messed up. So this one basically ayina solution le equation le. So asiqhubeka start one more. Let's say it's x plus 2x plus 1 greater than 2 plus 3x plus 4. So mangi simplify le ngizothola ngaiki x, solve for ama brackets kuqala. So kuzoba x plus 2x plus 2 greater than 2 plus, solve for that bracket ngithola 3x plus 12. So on the left hand side and the right hand side nginama like terms. So let's simplify the sides. So okay, as we back to that equation, ngifuna explain something man la. Well, let's just say this one is 3 ne? 3. This x ngimkhanselile ne? So it's gonna be 3 plus 2. It's 2x. 3 plus 2 is ngaiki, it's 5, and then aksanama like terms greater than, and then on the right hand side it's about 2 plus 12 ngithola 14 plus 3x. So letter x on the left hand side and then ama-constants on the right hand side. So kuzosala u-2x, the 3x uzoza to the left uzofika as u-negative 3x greater than 14. The 5 to the right hand side uzofika as u-minus 5. Angisho? So now subtract the 2 le ngithola u-minus x greater than 14 minus 5. It's 14 minus 5, isn't it 9? It's 9. And then okay, so ngisolve for x, not the minus x. So ngizodivide both sides ngobani? Ngo-minus 1. So ngizodivide ngo-minus 1 on both sides. Remember ngitheni, uma ngabe udivide nge-negative sign or umultiply ngani nge-negative sign, the direction of the inequality sign changes the direction. So uzoba positive x, la kube ubani u-9x. So now uzoyigrafa isolution yakho uzothola this is 0 minus 9 somewhere ngapha. So isolution yami to the left of 9. So any number that's less than minus 9, which is to the left hand side, kenzekani ama-solutions wami. But then the circle ngizoyishiya i-open. Why? Because the inequality sign yami ayina equal sign. So yeah, thanks for watching. I hope the video be informative as well as useful. And if we uyithandile le video, just leave a thumbs up. And then yeah, thanks for watching, and then come back for more. Bye bye.